Joining us for breakfast this morning, Wing Commander AP Singh, Flight Lieutenant Ajay Dashrathi, and Flight Lieutenant Abinandan, And gentlemen, I hope you're hungry because this looks like it's just about enough for us.
May I suggest that you all get your plates filled first, because once he starts, there's going to be nothing.
So you waiting for someone over here, or
No, we leave the place blank.
you leave it empty? Why is that?
This is supposed to be for the commanding officer. Nobody is supposed to take this place.
So whether the commanding officer is here or not here, this chair will be left. I must confess, there are dhabas around this country where a seat has been left empty for me. If I ever go.
Now, is there a specific plan for what types of food you all are eating before you go on a flight or after a flight, or the food you eat?